Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing the truck and workspace for a safe oil change on a 2014 Ford F150 EcoBoost. Use 5W30 synthetic oil and the engine holds 6. 0 quarts with filter change. Park on level ground, apply parking brake, and let engine cool for 10 to 15 minutes to avoid burns. Gather a 15mm socket, oil filter wrench, 3/8-inch ratchet, 6-quart drain pan, and new filter. Wear gloves and safety glasses, and secure jack stands if you need extra clearance. Begin the drain and filter replacement by locating the oil pan and filter under the truck. Remove the drain plug with a 15mm socket and drain oil into a 6-quart pan, allowing at least 5 minutes for flow to slow. While oil drains, remove the oil filter with the wrench, clean the mounting surface, and replace the OEM filter. Lubricate its rubber seal with new oil before installation. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to 30 lb-ft to prevent leaks. Then hand tighten the filter per label instructions. Finish by refilling and verifying the correct oil level in the EcoBoost engine. Refill with 6.0 quarts of 5W30 synthetic oil through the filler cap using a funnel, then reinstall the cap and wipe any spills. Start the engine and run it for 60 seconds while observing the drain plug and filter for leaks. Then shut off and wait 5 minutes for oil to settle. Check the dipstick. Oil level should read between the full and add marks. Top up if necessary, and reset any service reminder per the owner manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.